I'm gonna make a lot of people upset with this video. A lot of people will cry after this video, but I don't care. I'm here to tell the truth, guys. Let me explain to you. I just put a $3 million Bitcoin at $10,000. I'm gonna explain to you. Let me go step by step here. People don't know this, but Bitcoin and NASDAQ, those charts are very similar, guys. Let me try to open this here. Boom. Boom. Okay, guys, if you will see here on November 2021, NASDAQ hit the all-time high right here, 70, right? Look what happened with Bitcoin. Same thing, hit all-time high right here, guys. Bitcoin crashing down here, right? What happened with NASDAQ? It crashing down. Same thing happened right here. What happened with Bitcoin right here? Pump. There was our last call on Bitcoin to buy at 36 and you sold right here, 46. Small pump, right? Look what happened in NASDAQ. Exactly the same thing, guys. Boom. Small pump, okay? From here, Bitcoin crashing down up to here for $19,000. That's what we are now, okay? What happened in NASDAQ? Exactly the same thing, guys. Take a look at this. Boom. And now I see NASDAQ is having problem to go above this resistance. There's a big resistance right here, 62. At the same time, to confirm this information, guys, you see down here the RSI divergence. This is bearish, guys. This is bearish. We don't lose money on Bitcoin here because we don't buy and hold it. We sell. Now I'm gonna explain to you why I put on my buy order $3 million at $10,000. If you go right here, by the way, guys, email me tradecryptotime@gmail.com. I'm gonna provide you a free platform to you trade crypto, right? You don't have to spend $600 with TradingView. Just use the platform I'm gonna provide to you, and it's free, guys, and live. So if you check it on the stocks, guys, to you predict the future, you just look at the past, okay? In Bitcoin is the same thing. What happened with Bitcoin right here? Oh, August of 2016. It hit right here, this line. This line, guys, called support, okay? Bitcoin went up to $20,000. What happened with the Bitcoin? Crashed down to this line, support, guys. Bitcoin went up to $13,000. What happened with this? What happened with it? Crashed down again to $5,000. Hit the line again, support, guys. Bitcoin went up, down, up to almost $70,000. Take a look, where is the support line, guys? $10,000, $11,000 right there, okay? I just put a $3 million a buy order of $11,000, okay? So that's my prediction for Bitcoin. We don't lose money in this channel because we don't buy and hold it, guys. What do you do here? We do the smart move. We buy low and sell high. We just know the right time to sell. Okay, by the way, guys, trade recap today. We talk about 1100%. I just made $110,000 in profit. Okay, let me go to the private list. Those trades I share in the private list and you made in 48 hours. Okay, Klaytn, FLOKI, Doge Mars, Mask Network, T-Food, Dogecoin. Basically, that's what I'm looking for, guys. Price go flat, volume spike plus buyer power, price pump. Okay, we just made 1100%. It's huge returns, guys. $110,000 in profit. You sit in my office here, make it all that money. It's pretty simple, guys. But I tell you something, I have a 10 years experience doing this. So let me show you something. A lot of people ask me if I want to sell the software. Guys, I don't sell the software, okay? The software is not for sale. All right? And another thing, guys, people say, oh, you are pumping. You are pump and dump. No, we don't pump and dump, guys. We buy low and sell high, and I'm gonna prove to you right how. In order to find those pumps, guys, you have to calculate volume spike plus buyer power. Let me show what the volume is spiking right now. Okay, that's what the volume spike, guys. With this software, I control the entire market. But let's go to Dogecoin. Take a look at this, guys. Dogecoin. I shared this trade in the private list for Doge on October 25th. Right? I shared this trade in the private list. We bought Dogecoin for 6 cents and you put a sell order right here around 13.5. Okay, we made 120%. I made $12,000 in this trade. Okay, let me show you another thing, how I find those trades. You see this little candle right here, guys. There is a small candle here. It's called volume spike, guys. Pay attention to this. The price was going flat without no volume at all. You see what happened right here? Volume spike right here. That's what I'm calculating right now. Volume spike plus buyer power, guys. Okay, volume spike right here. I'm sorry. Oh, I lost the shot. Right here. Volume spike right here. Let me show you one more thing, guys. You see this name here? It's called volume, okay? Pay attention to this number here when the volume spike. The volume pump from right here. Pump from $11 million to, boom, $71 million, guys. It's a huge volume spike, guys. That's how you make money, guys. You make money when you trade those specific coins, okay? So volume spike right here. Shares traded private list on October 25th. We bought for 6 and you sold for 13.5. That's how you make money, guys. You make money when you do a smart trade, okay? We don't buy and hold. We don't marry coins. We don't pump coins. We track them. We track them. Myself just tracked the crypto market, the first 3,000 coin with more volume, guys. Let me show you something here. Oh, private list short. I know everything's going on in the market here. Swing trade up here. Look how many trades we have here. 3,000 coin, guys. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Feel free to reach me out. Ask for the free platform. And also, if you don't like to trade cryptocurrency, man, pumps, we can trade for you. And also, I will alert you when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos right here. The main cryptos. I will alert when you should buy and sell Ethereum, BNB, Cardano, Solana, Polygon, Bitcoin, XRP, and Dogecoin, guys. Just made $12,000 in Dogecoin. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.